Hey South Jersey, I'm meteorologist Joe Martucci. For the first time since December of 2019, we have accumulating snow here at Atlantic City International Airport, and some of you got outside and got to enjoy it. We have Dad Daryl here pushing his son Gabriel down a hill at Summers Point. Summers Point saw about an inch of snow. It's not a lot, but compared to where we have been, well, it's something worth celebrating if you are a snow lover here in the region. Here's a look at our winter storm alerts. Most of southeastern New Jersey is in a winter weather advisory. That does include Long Beach Island. That does not include the Cape May County shoreline. There just hasn't been enough snow to justify the advisory. Then once you make your way further north and west, we have winter storm warnings, and that does include mainland Ocean County. We have coastal flood warnings up and down the parkway here along the shore in South Jersey. Then we have a coastal flood advisory in effect for Cumberland County, and then along the shore, wind advisory for Cape May County on Monday, and then we have a high wind warning in effect for coastal Atlantic as well as coastal Ocean counties for most of the day on Monday, and there will be the potential for damaging winds. Looking at our snowfall totals as of 10 o'clock on Sunday, 2 to 3 inches for southern Ocean County, about 1 inch to 2 inches for Atlantic County, and then once you make your way over towards Cape May County, it has been less than 1 inch here. Now, this is only the first part of our snowstorm, because what's happening is that our snow is changing to rain from south to north across the area, and then eventually we're going to change back to snow here sometime late Monday or early Tuesday. We're going to talk about that in just a second. As we look at the computer models, most of the models are of the consensus that we're going to have a later flip back to snow, and that means less snow totals in general. Meanwhile, the GFS and the German Icon models showing an earlier flip to snow, and that means more snow in total here. So it's all going to be based on the wind. So right now I am using the North American model to show you what I believe is going to happen. This was 4 a.m. on Monday. We have a northeasterly wind. It's pulling in the relatively milder ocean waters. That means rain for us at 4 a.m. Now let's go to 10 o'clock. Still a northeasterly wind. We're talking about rain. And remember, the rain isn't going to be consistent. You'll see periods of rain during this time. Now, when we make our way to 4 p.m. on Monday, it's more of a northeasterly wind. We are seeing snow starting to crash back down towards the shore. That rain snow line is moving back to the east. And then as we get towards 10 o'clock on Monday, it's a northerly wind, a little bit of an easterly component, but we are either going to snow or at least be cold enough to snow in many places, save along the immediate shoreline. This is now 4 a.m. on Tuesday. Most places are seeing some kind of snow, and we'll see snow showers or even periods of light snow throughout the day on Tuesday. So just to tell you about the flip to snow in another way, let's take a look at a map to show you when you're going to see that changeover. It will happen earliest places along the Turnpike corridor, a little bit away from our area, and honestly, it may not even change over to rain at any point in time. Once you make your way over towards Hamilton or Buda, getting over to Millville, Monday afternoon it flips over. For Mays Landing, Galloway, making your way into Morris River Monday evening, and then along the immediate shoreline should happen sometime Tuesday morning. Could be during the pre-dawn hours on Tuesday morning, but during Tuesday morning. So snowfall totals for Monday and Tuesday alone range from a coating to a ½ inch in that green area, up to 4 inches once you make your way over towards Bridgeton and Hamilton, and then higher totals further to the north and west. And if you're in Philadelphia, you could expect 48 inches of snow, and some of those northern suburbs can see 8 to 14 inches of snow between Monday and Tuesday alone. Now, we have to talk about the coastal flooding. We do have that coastal flood warning in effect for much of southeastern New Jersey. Expecting moderate flood stage for both Monday high tides, and then once we get to Tuesday, minor flood stage everywhere as northwesterly winds start to push that water out, and then it could linger in the Barnegat Bay as we go into Tuesday during the PM high tide. This is what moderate flood stage looks like in Ocean City. Everywhere where you're seeing the purples means that there will be water on those roadways. Now we can go over to the Wildwoods. We're looking right now at North Wildwood and parts of Wildwood, pretty much everywhere north and west of New Jersey Avenue, which is this yellowish pinkish line here. We'll see some kind of coastal flooding during the Monday morning high tide. So make sure you move your cars if you need to and don't drive through the flooded waters. Here's a look at our mainland 7-day forecast. We're expecting that light snow on Tuesday, and then Wednesday is going to be a mostly cloudy and windy day. The winds finally subside Thursday, but then we have a rainmaker Friday into Saturday that will bring more precipitation here in South Jersey. Over at the shore, again, coastal flooding Monday and Tuesday, and then again, drying out as we go into Wednesday and Thursday. We'll have updates for you all throughout the day. You can follow me on social media for the latest, or you can always come back to our website at thepressofac.com/weather.